Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful painting on canvas. These are the requirements that you're going to be needing. Make a note of all the requirements and let's get started. So I'm taking this cotton canvas and I'm painting it all over using a red color. You can use any color that you would want. Just make sure that you're using a dark color on the base. I'm taking this canvas. You can buy canvas from any store, any craft store or online store, but if you want to draw it, if you want to draw any design, that you also can do. I am not very good at drawing, so I used a stencil and I really liked the design. So the basic part of stencil, if you're using acrylic colors, you have to use paint. Otherwise stencil is very thin and your colors can leak and it will not look good and you have to do it all over again. So if you're using acrylic color, just paint it on the spaces. So once that is done, I really want to put something on the edges, so I painted this half semicircles here. So as you can see, it's very easy, anyone can do it. I'm taking this white color and very pointy small brush. I'm just making it all over the edges. To cover this and make it more beautiful, in the center I'm just using this beautiful small stones. You can use anything that you have, or you can also leave it like that. As you can see that I'm decorating my design with stones, and you can decorate it with anything. You can add different colors, different stones, and mirrors also, as per your choice. I have taken the combination of red and white, but red and yellow also looks very good, and you can also take any other color combination that you really prefer. So guys, this was it. This is how I really made this, and this looks perfectly fine with all your decorations. You can also gift to someone. So guys, this was it. This was my tutorial for canvas painting. I hope you like this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Take care.